Welcome to everyone. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about some basic parts of Fourier series. Now, today we will solve some problems manually related to Fourier series. So, first of all, see the beautiful consequences of even and odd functions. So, let's start. So, our first consequence is the Fourier series of an even function of period 2L is a Fourier cosine series. Suppose fx is our given function and here this is written that Fourier series of an even function of period 12, that is this given function is even function of period 12. Then we have to find the Fourier series and see the result that will be a Fourier cosine series. So let's see. First of all, calculate n, and the formula is n equal to 1 by L integration minus L to L ft cos n pi t by L dt. Now see, this is even and cos function is also an even function. Why? Because cos of minus x will give cos x. So this is even function. We know that f of minus x equal to fx. This implies f is an even function. And also we know by the property of even function that product of two even function again even. So product of two even function is even. And also we know that the integral of even function integration minus L to L fx dx, this has a direct result. If f is even, then the result will be twice of 0 to L fx dx if f is even, and if f is odd, then we know this integration value will be 0. This is our known result. So since the integrand is even, so the value will be twice L 0 to L ft cos n pi t by L dt, and Bn will be 1 by L integration minus L to L ft sin n pi t by L dt. Now this is even function, this is odd function. Why odd? Because we know sine of minus x, this is equal to minus sine x, and we know f of minus x equal to minus of fx. This means that f is odd, so sine is odd, and product of an even function and an odd function will be an odd function. And we know by this result, if function is odd, then this is 0, so total integrand is odd, so the result will be 0. So Bn is 0. And also calculate A0. A0 will be 1 by L minus L to L integration ft dt, and this is even, so the value will be twice by L 0 to L ft dt. So finally corresponding Fourier series of the given function is A0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity n cos n pi x by L plus Bn sin n pi x by L. Put the values of A0 and Bn, then we get A0 is twice by L, so 2 cancel out. 1 by L integration 0 to L ft dt plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity, and the value of n is this 2 by L. So 2 by L integration 0 to L, then this is ft cos n pi t, ft cos n pi t by L dt. This is n. Then cos n pi x by L, then cos n pi x by, sorry, only this portion, this is by L. So this is n cos n pi x by L, and bn is 0, so this part totally omit. Now we get that the Fourier series of our given function is cosine related term here. So this is Fourier cosine series. So we get this is Fourier cosine series. Now our next consequence is the Fourier series of an odd function of period 12 is Fourier sine series. So start. Here our given function is odd function with period 12, that is odd function with period 12. Now calculate n. 1 by L integration minus L to L ft cos n pi t by L dt. Now here this is odd, this is even. Product of an odd function and an even function is odd. So the value of this integration is 0. Now bn equal to 1 by L integration minus L to L ft sin n pi t by L dt. This is odd, this is also odd. Product of two odd function is even. So the value of bn is 2 by L integration 0 to L ft sin n pi t by L dt, and the value of a0 is 1 by L integration minus L to L ft dt, where ft is odd. This is our given function odd, so the value of a0 is 0. Now so the corresponding Fourier series of the given function is a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity n cos n pi x by L plus bn sin n pi x by L. Now put the value. a0 is 0, n is 0, only bn has a non-zero value. So summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn is 2 by L, this 2 by L integration 0 to L ft sin n pi t by L dt. This is bn. Now sin n pi x by L. So this is our required Fourier series of the given odd function, and we can see that this series is Fourier sine series. So these are two very important and also this is very useful consequences of even and odd property for Fourier series. Next we come to some problems. So problem. Our first problem is related to periodic square wave. Periodic square wave type 1. Now the question is, find the Fourier series of the function fx equal to 1 when 0 less than x less than L and minus 1 when minus L less than x less than 0. So this is our function. Suppose this is L, this is minus L, then from 0 to L the function value is 1, from minus L to 0 function value is minus 1. Okay, this is our function. This is a periodic function. If we draw the figure like this is 0, this is 1, this is minus 1, L, 2L, 3L, 4L, 5L, minus L, minus 2L, minus 3L, minus 4L, minus 5L, and so on. So the function is like that. Just draw the figure. Next, so on. So this is our periodic function. See, in case of Fourier series representation, our given function must be a periodic function with period 12. Check that. Fx is defined in the interval minus L to L. Okay. With the jump discontinuity at the point 0. So it is piecewise discontinuous in the sub-interval minus L to 0 and 0 to L. Next, this also has relative maxima, relative minima, finite number of, and so we have to satisfy some properties, some points. Number 1, this is periodic function with period 12. Number 2, why it is 12? Because the domain is minus L to L. So the length of the interval is 12. Just see, domain is minus L to L and the length of this interval is 12. How to calculate? L minus L, that is L plus L, that is 12. So periodic function with period 12. Next, this is piecewise continuous. This has a finite number of relative maxima, relative minima. So this function satisfies Dirichlet's condition. So this function has Fourier series representation. Okay. So next. Now again we check that this function is odd or even function. check that f of minus x equal to what? For negative value, negative part minus L to 0, this is the negative part of the domain. In this negative section, function value is minus 1, and for the positive section, function value is 1. So, if x is any arbitrary point in the domain of the function, then f of minus x will be minus 1 and f of x will be 1. So, we can write f of minus x equal to minus 1 equal to minus f of x. So, clearly f is an odd function, right? And from the consequences of even an odd function, we can say that for odd function of period 12, we can write that our corresponding Fourier series will be Fourier sine series. Or if you forget that consequences, then just you calculate n, bn and a0, then you get the values, then put the value in the form of Fourier series representation, then you get the corresponding Fourier series of the given function. So as we know, for odd function this is Fourier sine series, so directly we can write n equal to 0 for n equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, as because a0 is also 0, so n equal to 0 is included. Now we have to calculate only bn part. So bn is 2 by L integration 0 to L ft sin n pi t by L dt. Now that is equal to 2 by L integration 0 to L. Now for this domain part, that is positive section 0 to L, function value is 1. So ft is 1. Now sin n pi t by L dt. Calculate this 2 by L. So sin is minus cos n pi t by L, and this is L by n pi, 0 to L dt. So we get 2 by n pi, this is n. Now this is cos n pi L by L minus cos 0, sorry, not dt. So minus 2 by n pi cos n pi minus 1, 2 by n pi 1 minus cos n pi. So this is equal to 2 by n pi 1 minus cos n pi is minus 1 to the power n. So 2 by n pi 1 minus, now see, when n is odd, then this value is minus 1, and minus minus, this is plus 1. So when n is odd, and when n is 0, in that case function, this is plus 1, so 1 minus 1, that will be 0 in case of n is even. So when n is odd, we get this, that is 4 by n pi, n is odd. Mention this. Now write corresponding Fourier series of given function is a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity n cos n pi x by L plus bn sin n pi x by L. This is equal to this a0 n are 0, only bn part. So summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn is this 4 by n pi and cos n pi x by l. Mention this n is odd. Mention this because in case of even number for n, the value bn is 0. So we have to mention that n is odd. And this is our required Fourier series of the given function. So our next problem is periodic square wave type 2. Now problem. Find the Fourier series of the function fx equal to 1 0, 1 for 0 less than x less than l and 0 for minus l less than x less than 0. Function is, this is l, this is minus l, then from 0 to l function value is 1, from minus l to 0 function value is 0. This is the function. So 0, l, 2l, 3l, 4l, 5l, minus l, minus 2l, minus 3l and so on, minus 4l. Next from 0 to l, this is 0. Next from l to 2l, again this, again so this is our function. This is our function. This is periodic function with period 12 as the length of the interval is 12. Now this is piecewise continuous because at the point 0 it has a jump discontinuity, and obviously it has a relative finite number of relative maxima and minima. So this function satisfies Dirichlet's condition. So it has Fourier series representation. Everything satisfies. Now we calculate the values of a0, an and bn. So a0, 1 by l integration minus l to l ft dt. Now for 0 to l function value is 1 and minus l to 0 function value is 0. So we just avoid this minus l to 0 this part because the function value is 0 in the part of minus l to 0, so we omit this part. And actually if we put, just I am saying minus l to 0 ft dt plus 1 by l 0 to l ft dt. Now this part is 0, so we omit this part and just write this 1 by l integration 0 to l function value is 1 dt. So this is equal to t and 1 by l t 0 to l, and this is 1 by l into l, this is equal to 1. Now the value of n is 1 by l integration minus l to l ft dt, sorry, ft cos n pi t by l dt. Now 1 by l, just writing the positive section because the negative section is 0. So this is 1 only cos n pi t by l dt. This is equal to 1 by l cos is sin n pi t by l, l by n pi 0 to l. So LL cancel out, 1 by n pi sin n pi, L by L cancel out, so sin n pi minus sin 0 is 0, and the value of sin n pi is 0, so n is 0. Now calculate Bn. 1 by L integration minus L to L if t sin n pi t by L dt. Again 1 by L, 0 to L, this is 1, sin n pi t by L dt. So we get this is minus cos minus 1 by L into L by n pi cos n pi t by L 0 to L. So this is equal to minus 1 by n pi cos n pi minus cos 0. This is equal to cos 0. Okay, for this minus sign I just writing in this way. 1 by n pi cos 0 is 1 and this is cos n pi. This is equal to 1 by n pi 1 minus 1 to the power n, and for n is odd, the value of minus 1 to the power n will be minus 1, so the total value is 2. So 2 by n pi for n equal to odd, and for n equal to even the value will be 0. So we get the value of Bn. Now corresponding Fourier series of the given function is a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity n cos n pi x by L plus Bn sin n pi x by L. Now this is equal to, the value of a0 is 1, that is half. This is summation n equal to 1 to infinity. The value of n is 0 and the value of Bn is 2 by n pi. So 2 by n pi sin n pi x by L for n is odd. So this is our required Fourier series. Now I want to say that many of us have a confusion, that is, if the function is defined in this way, so in that case what we can say, this is even or odd. So my suggestion is, when you can see that function value is 0 for the negative section or for the positive section, in that case if we calculate, just see this, here the function is fx equal to 1 0, 1 is 0 less than x less than L and 0 for minus L less than x less than 0. Now question is, this is even or odd. So f of minus x equal to, this is 0 because for the negative section of the domain function value is 0, and fx, that is positive section, function value is 1. So in this case if we write this is equal to 0, so this is equal to 0 into 1, this is equal to 0 into fx. So this is not the right way, this is wrong. Okay, so you don't write in this way. So in this case this function can't be said that this is even or this is odd. In that case you have to calculate separately the values of a0, n and Bn in this way. Then put the value in the expression, then you get the required Fourier series. So next we come to our third problem, that is periodic square wave type 3. The function is, okay, write the problem, find the Fourier series of the function fx is defined as 0 for L by 2 less than x less than L, 1 for minus L by 2 less than x less than L by 2, and 0 for minus L less than x less than minus L by 2. So this is our function. See, this is L, this is L by 2, this is minus L by 2, this is minus L, this is 0. So from minus L by 2 to L by 2 function value is 1. So in this section function value is 1, and the remaining two part function value is 0. So in case of signaling purpose, the figure will be like this: minus L by 2 L, 3 plus L by 2 L, 3L by 2, this is 2L, and so on. Similarly, minus L by 2, minus L, minus 3L by 2, minus 2L, and so on. So function value is like that. This is again, and continue this process. Okay, no, this is right. From minus L to I just drawing another picture. This is a mistake. See, this is 0, L by 2, L, 3L by 2, 2L. This is minus L by 2, minus 2L, minus 3L by 2, minus 2L, minus L. So in this way we can write the graphical representation of this function. So in that case, this function is periodic, piecewise continuous, and has a finite number of relative maxima minima. So this function has Fourier series representation. See, so now we calculate A0. A0 is 1 by L integration minus L to L ft dt. Now we know that minus L to L, minus L by 2 to plus L by 2 function value is 1, and the remaining two parts function value is 0. So just write this non-zero part. So 1 by L t minus L by 2 to plus L by 2, this is equal to 1 by L by 2 minus plus L by 2 to L by 2, that is L, it is equal to 1. So next n 1 by L integration minus L to L ft cos n pi t by L dt. this is equal to 1 by L integration minus L by 2 to L by 2. This is 1 cos n pi t by L dt. So this is equal to 1 by L. Cos is sin n pi t by L into L by n pi minus L by 2 to plus L by 2 is. So this is 1 by n pi. Now sin n pi by 2 minus sin minus n pi by 2. So 1 by n pi sin n pi by 2 minus minus plus sin n pi by 2, that is equal to 2 by n pi sin n pi by 2. So n equal to this for n equal to 1, 2 and so on, and the value of a0 is 1. Now calculate Bn. 1 by L integration minus L to L ft sin n pi t by L dt. So we get 1 by L integration minus L by 2 to L by 2 ft is 1 sin n pi t by L dt. Okay, here we can use the consequence of even and odd function. As we know that sine is odd, so the value of this integration is 0. Similarly, we can use this result in calculating this value of n. Since this is even, so the value of this integration will be 2 by L integration 0 to L by 2 cos n pi t by L dt, or you can calculate in this way. So we get the value of Bn for n equal to 1, 2 and so on. So the corresponding Fourier series representation of the given function is of the form a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity n cos n pi x by L plus Bn sin n pi x by L. Now this is equal to a0 is, the value of a0 is 1 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity, the value of n is 2 by n pi sin n pi by 2. This is n. Now this cos n pi x by L. Okay, many of us has a mistake that when we write the value of n, then we forget to write this cos nx term. So must write the n along with this cos nx by L, and the value of Bn is 0. So this is our required Fourier series representation. Okay students, today's class is over. In our next upcoming video, we shall discuss more interesting topics. So keep watching. Thanks to all of you.